How to connect broker to MetaTrader 5. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to connect broker to MetaTrader 5 account. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, launch the MetaTrader 5 application on your device. Now make sure to sign in or log into your particular account. Tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Select Get Started at top of the screen. Now tap the plus button at top right corner of the screen and you will land on this section where you can easily find the broker with the help of the search bar at top of the screen. So tap on it, and here I'm searching for paper stone. You can easily search for any one of the broker as per your choice. Now the paper stone Group Limited and Paper Stone Limited has been shown here. So here are the two brokers. You can choose anyone as per your choice. Now once you have done that, you will land on this kind of interface where you can easily open a demo account if you don't have. But if you already have a demo account, you need to tap on log into an existing account, and here you need to enter all your credentials including the login, password, server, and if you wish to save the password you can check mark the box, or else don't check mark. If you forget the password, you can tap forget password link and easily recover from there and re-enter on this page. After you do that, tap the login button and then you will easily connect the broker to MetaTrader 5 account. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.